So how to track a walk on the Apple Watch. Let me show you this guide on how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So the easiest way to do it is just to open up your Apple Watch, go to the Workouts app, which is like this person running on the green background, and choose the workout type. So usually you should be greeted with the running and walking exercises. So these are going to be the common ones. So I literally have the outdoor walk right away showing up. I can tap on it and it will start tracking my activity in terms of the walking, right? Since I picked the outdoor walk, it will also track the GPS location and I'll be able to see where I walk, right? But that's not the whole picture because I can just click on the three dots before I started the workout and choose the goal. So the green means like the open goal, meaning that you are walking as long as you want, but then we also have time-based goals, calorie and distance-based, right? So you might choose that I want to walk for 30 minutes, right? And then you go and pick the time option for the goal, right? So that is something that you can do. One more tip though, on my Apple Watch Ultra, I also have the action button, right? So not only you have the digital crown and side button, there is also the action button, and this is customizable to choose whatever function you want. And me personally, I like to have it set up that way that this button serves me the purpose of starting a walking exercise, right? So in my case, I don't even have to look at the watch or anything. I just quickly press the button and the workout of the walking exercise is just being tracked from that moment on. So that is something which you can set up obviously inside of these settings by going to that action button mode, and I literally just chose that to be the case. So I just wanted to show you all of the things which I noticed or came across since I've been using this feature. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well.